Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about the only tool you will ever need to find out the future support and resistance prices based on the previous data. This is the tool which I have modified and it works extremely perfect. You just have to put it on the previous day's high and low, and then it will give you the future support and resistance prices. So let's get started. So friends, here we are going to apply the regular Fibonacci tool on this chart, and you may know this how to apply. This is the previous day, and we are going to apply this from high to low. Okay, so this is the high and this is the low of the previous day. So friends, here I have applied this Fibonacci tool and it shows some levels which are based on the natural percentage, and it will generate some levels based on this percentage. So this is the regular Fibonacci tool we are applying here. So we will apply the modified Fibonacci tool on the same chart. So for that we will shift to this graph. So here what I will do, the previous day's high and low I will cover in that. So now you can find out these levels based on the previous data. So here all the levels are covered with this tool. So first this is the opening of the day, and later this is the line, this is the level. Okay, so the price has been supporting here, and the next target is the red line. Okay, so this is the next target, and then this is supported here. Okay, so from this line to the next green line, there is a second target achieved, and thereafter this is the support here. Okay, so this line is acting as a support, and then the next target is that blue line. So after that the price went down, and here it got supported here. So after that the same blue line got broke out, and then the next target was the next blue line, and the second target was the next uh, purple line. So after that you can see here the price went down. At the end of the day it got stopped at the blue line. So this is our level. All the fluctuations of the market are covered here in the tool. So applying on the previous day's high low, we can get some levels here. So here we can find out that this high and low of the day was maintained within these two lines. This is the day close. The price got supports here and here, and at first the price was going down, and later it broke through this line and went for the target, the next line. Same here, target for the next line. So in this case the price levels are working very well. So let's see how it works on the next to next day. So this is the new day, and we have applied our Fibonacci tool to the later to this day. In this day also we can find that this is the line and it is getting support here, and this is the breakout actually, and this is the first target, second target. We can find out that how much time the price has spent here. So we can find out that this is the next target, and later the price closed the day on this line. So this is the next day, and we can find out here also the lines are working very well. Here the opening was our line, and then here it got resistance, and then the next target, later this next target. All these lines are working very perfect, so you don't need to have any other levels to mark, and this is so simple. You don't need to prepare for many levels and many tools. This is the only tool you will ever need. So actually prices move based on the vibrations of the numbers. This is the natural percentage on which the price moves from high to low. So we will take some more examples. Here the high is the close of the day and the low is this level. So for the next day we can find out that this was the opening of the day near the line, and later the price went down to support on this middle line from these two dark line. This is the mid of these two dark lines. Okay, so the price got support here, and you can see that this is the price action going to the next target. This is the line, gray line is the target for that, and this was the day close, and here it closes near the blue line which was our level. Okay, so the next day start from here, and we can find out that this is also working very well on this graph. So the next day the price getting so much support here and couldn't go downside. After the price got to the next level, it immediately started to move down, and here the green line was here. It spent some time, and later it got support on this light line, and then the closing of the day was exactly at the green line. So the next day we can see the picture very clearly. You can see this is the line, high and low, and the price is taking from 9:20 to 2 p.m. within this area. So this is the area, and then this is breaking out from this area, and the next target is that purple line. Okay, so here we can if I have to plot the lines further, so what we will do, we will take this Fibonacci tool and match these lines, and any lines you can match. Okay, so see here, this is the target, and you are achieving the target here. So this is our next levels, which are this graph getting support and resistance between this area, and further wherever you go, you can see that these lines have much more importance than any other levels. I hope you are getting something from this video, and so this is the natural ratio based on the vibration of the price. This is the awesome tool which you can use for daily. So this is the awesome tool which you can use to support your market views. So if you like this Fibonacci tool, please comment. I would like to hear from you about this tool. And finally, I am going to share with the setting of this tool. You only need to open your Fibonacci tool and apply it somewhere, and then go to the settings. Okay, so this is the setting for the tool. This is simply percentage, like 0.5, 1, 1.5, and you can apply this based on this percentage. What I have done was I have divided this 0 to 0.5 into 0.25 median line. So I have highlighted this with a very light color, and these are the dark colors, which are the ratios 0.5, 1 as per this. You can put it exactly like this, and your tool is ready to apply. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please share this to your friends. Please subscribe to our channel. I have much more strategies to share with you guys, and I will be posting some new videos on the channel. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.